Made a trip to the post office to pick up something super awesome. Let's check it out. Yes! Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, this is so awesome! Okay, I'm just gonna say I love how Katie packaged this. It's like super awesome.
Ooh.
There you go! My hatching eggs!
No, that's mine.
Those are yours?
Yeah.
Super excited! Thank you, Katie! So we're gonna let these settle for 12 to 24 hours according to Katie's instructions. I'm gonna candle them for any cracks. And they're going in the incubator. How awesome is that? I'm excited to hatch these. Isn't that cool? You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. They look awesome.